Welcome to the Autophagy Accelerator Explainer. Today, we're unlocking the absolute biological secrets behind extreme cellular longevity.
Let's jump right in. How on earth does an 80-ton bowhead whale live 2 centuries without aging?
Well, that's Mito's paradox. Huge animals should accumulate massive cellular damage, but crazily enough, they just don't.
Unlike us accumulating dangerous genetic hits and junk, whale cells stay incredibly stable. They flawlessly repair their DNA. For us humans, this cellular clutter, exhausted mitochondria, damaged DNA, literally drives our metabolic slowing and aging. The whale's evolutionary masterstroke? It's a simple, genius rule. Repair, don't replace. They just fix the damage.
The secret sauce? Bowhead whales actually produce a staggering 100 times more CIRBP repair proteins than we do.
Triggered by the cold, CIRBP acts like a cellular first responder, perfectly fixing dangerous double-strand DNA breaks.
We can actually emulate this using mitophagy, our body's built-in recycling system that clears out those old, damaged mitochondria.
So the million-dollar question, how do we artificially kickstart this elite internal recycling system inside ourselves?
Science points to 2 massive catalysts for autophagy and mitophagy, fasting mimicry, and cold water exposure.
But clearing the clutter is just phase 1. Next, we got to build completely new, healthy mitochondrial membranes. To rebuild those effectively, our bodies absolutely need a potent 90% concentration of natural polyprenols.
Sourced from the Siberian taiga, the CIBXP complex delivers these essential polyprenols right alongside fur cell sap.
Once inside, your liver converts these polyprenols into dolichols, the exact tools required to repair damaged membranes. We pair that with VILAVI MOBIO Plus to cultivate a super healthy internal ecosystem for new mitochondria to thrive.
So here's the Autophagy Accelerator protocol. Cold exposure, MOBIO Plus for the ecosystem, and T8 Extra for repair.
Just a simple 2 milliliter daily serving of T8 Extra 90% provides the cellular fuel to make it happen.
So will you upgrade your biological repair shop, or just let cellular clutter completely dictate your aging?